Hello my dear viewers, in this video I am going to explain one of the most important question is the LCM and HCF concept. The question is, find the least multiple of 23 which when divided by 18, 21 and 24 leaves the remainder 7, 10 and 13 respectively. So here we need to find out the number that is exactly divided by 23. So now we have to find out the remainders. So that is 18 minus 7 equal 11, 21 minus 10 equal 11, 24 minus 13 equal 11. So in this case they leaves same remainder, that is 11. Now find the LCM of 18, 21 and 24. First we should frame it in this way. See, that is 18, 21 and 24. Okay, next now we should focus on to the first number, that is 18. 18 in 2 table, that is 2 nines are 18. The other number 21. 21 is not 2 table. We write down as it is. The other number 24. Last digit 4. This number is divisible by 2. First number 2, 2 in 2 table, that is 2 ones are 2. And unit digit 4. 4 in 2 table, that is 2 twos are 4. Now here we have 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That is 3 threes are 9. The other number 21. 21 is divisible by 3, that is 3 sevens are 21. The other number 12. 12 is divisible by 3, that is 3 fours are 12. We got 3, 7 and 4 all are co-prime number. So our LCM, that is LCM is the product of the column wise number and row wise number. That is LCM equal 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 4. Now let us multiply this number, that is 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18, 18 into 7 126, 126 into 4 504. So 504 our LCM. Am I clear? By dividing each number it get same remainder, that is 11. Let least value of k, for which 504 into k minus 11 is a multiple of 23. Now put k equal 1, that is 504 into 1 minus 11 equal 493, not a multiple of 23. Similarly put k equal 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the equation 504 into k minus 11, and resulting values are not multiple of 23, but put k equals 6, that is 504 into 6 minus 11 equal 3024 minus 11 equal 3013. It is a multiple of 23, so the least number is 3013. Am I clear? Okay. Thank you for watching my video.